What is up and welcome to another video. Today is Wednesday and today I'm going to give you an exclusive update on my Bitcoin analysis. And not only Bitcoin, guys, I'm going to share with you my thoughts about the altcoins that I have previously shared on my X account. Now, if you are enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to destroy that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel and of course click that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post and upload a new video like this. So last time I spoke about Bitcoin, W pattern, and also Ethereum, some of the altcoins. If you're following me on my X account, I've shared several trades. So if you are following me on my X account, previously I have tweeted or I have posted that we will likely see altcoins short-term pump, and also I have shared the altcoins that I am longing, guys. So here are my trade entries for possible short-term bounce today, December 1. I've shared AVAX when the price was hovering at around 12.9. I've also shared Dogecoin when the price was trading at around 0.136. I have also shared Ethereum when the price was trading at around 2,800. I've also shared Solana when the price was trading at around 126. At the time recording, check out the prices of these altcoins because they are up right now. So congratulations to those who are following me on my X account. So going back to the Bitcoin chart, before we talk about the chart, guys, a quick disclaimer. All right, so going back to the Bitcoin chart, looking at the 1 hour time frame, I previously told you that we have a possible W pattern formation here, a bullish bat pattern formation on the 1 hour time frame, and I told you that you need to keep an eye on the neckline level. W pattern is a bullish pattern or possible double bottom pattern here for Bitcoin, and also some of the altcoins are forming the same pattern. And right now the price is on the neckline level, so this is critical if Bitcoin is going to break above or either get rejected. If Bitcoin gets rejected, then it is likely that it will retest the middle zone here. This middle zone will now act as a support. That will be around $90,000 or $89,000-ish will be the middle zone of this parallel channel, guys. But right now Bitcoin is trying to break above that neckline, and if Bitcoin will break above, the next target will be $102,000, and that, if that is going to happen, majority of the altcoins will pump harder than Bitcoin. So again, we need to wait for confirmation, guys. Confirmation is very important if you are trading. So we need to wait for 4 hour or the daily candle close above this candle wick right here. So basically, we need to wait for the daily candle to close above $94,000. Let's say $94,000, 93,700 is the last candle wick here. We have also candle wick here. So probably this is around 94. So let's say $94,000 will be our confirmation for a possible breakout play. So 4 hour time frame, if the 4 hour candle closes above 94,000, that will be our first confirmation. If the daily candle closes above 94, then that will be a confirmed breakout. So possible scenario, if the daily candle closes above $94,000, is breakout and then retest of support here, which is around 92,900 up to $92,000 before it continue to move and hit that ideal breakout target. We will have some resistances along the way. We have sell pressure at around this area, 96,300. So we have a bearish order block from 96,300 up to $97,300. Expect a short-term rejection when the price reach this level, guys. Now, what if the daily candle closes below the $92,000 or $93,000, below this resistance, guys? Then it is likely that Bitcoin will retest the middle zone, which is around $89,700. So that will be our scenario in the coming days. So daily candle closing above 94. Short-term target will be 96 up to 97. Ideal breakout target, $102,000. Now let's review our Fibonacci retracement level. If we're going to measure it from the previous all-time high down to the $80,000, that will give us a possible retest of 108. But that will be unlikely at this level, guys. That will be around how many percent from the current level? That will be around 20%. So in my opinion, it is still likely that Bitcoin would move higher, but we will likely form a lower lows, guys. So we have a possible support trend line here. Support trend line. So the target or this order block level at around, or the Fibonacci 38.2, around $98,000 is in confluence with this resistance trend line. So keep an eye on this resistance trend line. We have a confluence on this order block level plus the resistance trend line. $98,000 will be the level that we need to keep an eye very closely for a possible short entry if you're going to do another short trade here before the next move to the downside. So right now we are still good. Bitcoin is still bullish. We have that chart prime oscillator pro trading above zero, and we have still a lag room before we reach that overbought area, guys. So we still have room for growth and room for Bitcoin and altcoins to pump. So that's good news. If you learned something today, guys, support the channel by smashing that like button. Subscribing to the channel is very important if you want to stay up to date. And of course, if you have been following me since 2017, 2021 on my X account, then you already know that we made several good predictions in the previous bear and bull markets. Thanks so much. So same with Solana. Solana is trying to break that neckline level. Again, as expected, we are seeing some short-term rejection at around 143. So we need to wait again for that confirmation, guys. If the daily candle closes above 144, 145, that will be a confirmed breakout for Solana. So breakout, retested support, and then another quick pump here. We have a fair value gap above this zone. So from 144, if Solana will be able to break this resistance, then it will likely snap quickly to $153, guys. So resistance, neckline, breakout zone will be around 143 up to 145. 145 will be the confirmation, guys. Daily candle closes above 145 will be a confirmed breakout. So what if Solana got rejected from, or the daily candle closes below the 145 level? Then we need to keep an eye on the possible retest, guys. We have this zone right here. This is going to be the short-term support for Solana. Very important levels right now in the immediate short term. So support. Daily candle closes below 145, possible retest of this support before it continue and try to break that resistance one more time. All right, so keep an eye on this important levels. We have this playing zone right now, 153 up to 137 up to 153 will be the trading zone in the immediate short term for Solana. And by the way, congratulations to all the members in our YouTube community, in our Discord community. We're able to make a very good profit, and we have predicted this move before everyone on X. So yesterday I posted Bitcoin and altcoin altcoins pump soon. So before altcoin pumped, before Bitcoin pumped, I have already made my prediction, guys. So thank you so much for supporting the channel. Fortunately, we haven't reached 30 likes. We need to smash that like button, guys. If we can't reach 30 likes, then I might stop making videos like this in the future. So thank you so much. Siyasi, again, you nailed it, bro. Thanks for being there for us. We have also Ahmed, have always appreciated your work. Thank you, Goat. We have also Faisal, thank you, Chill. Bubal Ibrahim, congratulations. Thank you so much for all the support. Smash that like button, very important. Let that YouTube algorithm know that this content is important, and also you can share it with your fellow traders. Going back to the chart, let's check out Ethereum, guys. So Ethereum, again, bullish bat pattern, W pattern. Most of the altcoins trying to break that neckline level. If majority of the altcoins, if Bitcoin break above that neckline, or if Bitcoin moves on sideways and altcoins break above that neckline, then we are waiting for another leg up here. Possible 20% move for Solana, for Ethereum, and also the rest of the altcoins are going to follow, guys. So these are just the major top altcoins in the market. So for Ethereum, we need to wait for the daily candle close around 3,100. That will be our confirmation for a possible breakout. Retest will be on this zone right here. We have this candle wick. So this is going to be the retest of support, a little bit deeper compared to Solana. So this is around 2,800 up to 2,900. That will be the retest just in case the daily candle closes below 3,100. But if the daily candle closes above 3,100, then we might see Ethereum push higher and hit that short-term target around $3,266. Now let's check the oscillator. Chart Prime Oscillator Pro is trading above zero, which means this is still bullish, guys. We still have fuel to push the price higher. So again, thank you so much for joining me today. If you want to take advantage of Chart Prime, this is one of the best paid indicator in my opinion. This is the only indicator that I'm using in most of my chart. You can get a Cyber Monday sale or a 7 days risk-free trial if you're going to use my referral link in the description down below. So again, thank you so much. Smash that like button. Let the YouTube algorithm know that this content matters. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.